Ever dug through your bag for your wallet only to realize you left it at home? Or maybe you're scrolling through your favorite online store, ready to check out, but your credit card details are saved on another device. Frustrating, right? Well, what if your phone could be your one-stop shop for all things payment-related? Enter GrabPay, a mobile wallet solution gaining traction across Southeast Asia. But can you ditch the plastic and use GrabPay for online purchases? Let's dive in and explore. GrabPay 101, your everyday payment buddy. Before we delve into the online world, let's get familiar with GrabPay. It's an e-wallet integrated with the popular ride-hailing app, Grab. You can top up your GrabPay account using various methods, including debit cards, bank transfers, and even cash at select convenience stores. Once topped up, it functions like a digital wallet, allowing you to pay for Grab rides. This is where it all began. Seamlessly pay for your Grab rides directly through the app, eliminating the need for cash or card fumbling. Go cashless at stores. Many restaurants, cafes, and retailers have embraced GrabPay, letting you pay for your purchases with a simple scan. Send and receive money, splitting the bill with friends? Need to send some cash to family? GrabPay facilitates quick and easy money transfers between users. Pretty convenient, right? Now, the question that burns, can you take this convenience online? The wonderful world of online GrabPay. The answer is a resounding yes. GrabPay has partnered with a growing number of online merchants across various categories. Here's how it works. Look for the GrabPay logo. While checking out on an online store, keep your eyes peeled for the GrabPay logo. This indicates that the platform accepts GrabPay as a payment method. Select GrabPay at checkout. During checkout, choose GrabPay as your preferred payment option. You'll then be redirected to the GrabPay app on your phone. Confirm and pay. Simply log into your GrabPay app and confirm the payment. Depending on the merchant's setup, you might need to enter a verification code. The benefits of going online with GrabPay. So, why choose GrabPay for online transactions? Here are some compelling reasons. Convenience. No more manually entering card details or remembering passwords. Just a few taps, and you're good to go. Security. GrabPay utilizes secure payment gateways to protect your financial information, offering peace of mind. Rewards. Many merchants offer exclusive discounts or cashback when you pay with GrabPay. Keep an eye out for promotions. Things to consider before you GrabPay online. While GrabPay for online payments offers numerous advantages, there are a few things to keep in mind. Merchant acceptance. Not all online stores accept GrabPay yet. The availability is constantly expanding, but it's always good to check before checkout. Transaction limits. GrabPay may have limitations on the amount you can spend in a single transaction or within a specific time frame. Final thoughts. GrabPay, your handy online payment companion. So, can you use GrabPay for online payments? Absolutely. It's a convenient, secure, and potentially rewarding way to shop online. While not universally accepted yet, GrabPay's online presence is growing steadily. So next time you're browsing online for that perfect outfit or that must-have gadget, keep GrabPay in mind. It might just be your new best friend for a seamless checkout experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.